Introduce features you looking for and fast overview on stick welder lift Tig 110V 220V Reboot ARC170 dual voltage portable arcade welding machine multifunction 170 amp MMA lift Tig Inverter arc welding machine 1/16.5/32" for home usage. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Automatic 110 220V input 60 Hz at rated output 25.6 amp 110V, 26.4 amp 220V. Conversion line easy transfer from 110V to 220V. Multifunction, MMA stick lift Tig VRD with hot start arc force anti-stick. Package include 1x power source RBA 2000D, 1x 1.5 meter cable and earth clamp, 1x 1.5 meter cable and electrode holder, 1x 20 mm 110 220V conversion line. Buy with confidence as we offer 30-day 100% satisfaction or money-back guarantee and 1-year limited warranty. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from we described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.